We all know that increased energy, better mood, improved sleep and reduced stress are all benefits of regular exercise. But very few know of its extraordinary ability to produce literal brain-building steroids we call BDNF. In scientific terms, BDNF stands for Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor. Neurotrophic meaning something related to the growth of nervous tissue. Now, let's go over some of its primary functions. BDNF's main jobs are to promote neuronal survival and strength as it acts as a fertilizer for your brain cells. Synaptic plasticity, the ability of synapses to change and adapt over time, which is fundamental for learning and memory. Neurogenesis, the process of generating new neurons in the brain. Modulation of neurotransmitters, including serotonin and dopamine, which are important for mood, motivation and cognitive function. And neuroprotection. It offers protective effects against neurodegeneration and can help conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Now, you can only imagine the disastrous effects of having depleted levels of this neurotrophic. You would have trouble learning, remembering, higher chances of getting depression, trouble with coordination and balance, higher chances of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Thankfully, there are a few things that naturally boost this neurotrophic, and one of the biggest ones is exercise. So, how does exercise stimulate BDNF, a steroid which works in the brain? First, exercise increases neuronal activity. When engaging in activities that require coordination, learning new movements, or simply sustained effort, your brain becomes more active. This leads to increased electrical activity in various brain regions, particularly the hippocampus, which is crucial for learning and memory, and the cerebral cortex. Second, it increases cerebral blood flow. When our heart rate increases, more blood comes to our brain, which means more nutrients for our neurons. Third, it releases signaling molecules like lactate, which can cross the blood-brain barrier and be used as an energy source by neurons, and irisin. Once in the brain, it directly or indirectly stimulates the expression of BDNF in the hippocampus. Okay, now that we understand why exercise affects our body's BDNF, we should go over the best types of exercises to boost it. Studies show that aerobic exercises are considered the most effective for consistent long-term increases. This means any form of running, cycling, swimming, HIIT training works the best. This is mainly because cardiovascular exercises lead to more sustained metabolic demand and greater, more sustained increases in cerebral blood flow. Now you understand the entire logic behind exercise's ability to increase BDNF production. Let's go over some other things which also increase BDNF quite a lot. Starting with intermittent fasting. By entering a state of ketosis, the body starts using ketones, which directly promote BDNF gene expression. Then we have omega-3 fatty acids, which enhance BDNF synthesis and signaling in neurons by activating specific pathways like the PI3K signaling pathway, and vitamin D, often considered a neurosteroid, which plays a role in brain development and function. Animal studies suggest it can indirectly modulate BDNF production. So there you have it, the incredible power of BDNF and how you can naturally boost it. Keep moving, keep learning, and keep optimizing your brain's health. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe to stay notified for better quality upcoming videos.